Hello, this is Dan Hales, General Manager at Realty Trust Services. Today we're going to log into a tenant portal and show you how to make a payment. So here we are at the login screen and we're going to sign in. And I already have a payment account set up, but if this is your first time logging in, you'd click on My Payments, Payment Accounts, and then Add Payment Account. So you can add Visa, MasterCard, or Discover, but there is a $35 processing fee that Real Property Payment Center charges you to use that. So you're going to want to click e-check. You're going to put in your bank name, your routing number, your account number, and your billing information. There is no fee whatsoever for using your bank account to make a payment. So since I've already done that, I'm going to click on cancel. And then we're going to go to my account. And you're going to click make one-time payment. And then e-check. And then continue is just below here. You're going to select the date, the account that you're using. You can set up multiple accounts this way and make payments through each of them, and the payment amount. Today we're going to pay $1, not 100. And next, this is also really useful if you're on Section 8 or you have multiple accounts making the payment. You can set this date for a future date. Let's say Friday the 6th or the beginning of next month. Click on next and then submit. You're going to confirm the payment amount, and then just below the screen here you're going to click submit. And that's it. Payment scheduled for the 6th.